Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever updated your WordPress site and immediately regretted it, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you how to safely roll back WordPress updates and undo any changes in just a few simple steps. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to restore your site to a previous version without breaking a sweat. Let's dive in. Log into your WordPress dashboard. First, open your browser and navigate to your WordPress site. Click the login option at the top right. For a quick and secure login, you can choose Continue with Google if your account is linked. Once you're in, you'll have access to the WordPress dashboard, your control center for everything on your website. Navigate to the page editor. Next, locate the page you want to revert. Click on its title to open the page editor. This interface is where all your content and layout changes happen. Think of it as the heart of your website's updates. Access the revisions history. On the right-hand panel, you'll see a section called Revisions. Click on it, and WordPress will show a chronological list of all the changes that have been made to your page, including both content and layout edits. Click on the link next to each revision to expand a detailed view. Use the timeline scroller to navigate through past versions. This allows you to see exactly what was changed between different versions, giving you a clear picture before making any decisions. Restore a previous version. Once you've found the version you want to roll back to, click Restore this revision. WordPress will immediately revert your page to that previous state. It's that simple. After restoring, make sure to review your website to confirm that everything is working as expected. And there you have it. Rolling back WordPress updates is quick, easy, and completely safe if you follow these steps. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.